We'll guide you through how to use the Google Wallet app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Google Wallet is a digital wallet app that will allow you to go and quick access to passes, tickets, and payment methods. To get started, let's go and get it. You can open up the Play Store, we can go and search for Google Wallet and go and install it. Once it goes and finishes, we can go and open it up. Here we go. To go and get started, we can explore the wallet or we can add to wallet. So we'll go and tap there. We've got these different things we could go and add here. So in this case, I'm going to go and add a payment card. You can add a new one or you can go and use one from your Google account. I'll select this here. If you tap new credit or debit card, then you'll need to go and get your card and enter in the details. It'll go and tell you what you need and then you can add it. Even though the card is on my Google account, I still did need to enter some info about it. In my case, I had to verify my card by opening up the app or calling my bank. And now it says hold to reader and we can start paying with it. What we can do is go and add more by pressing add to wallet in the bottom right. You can go and add another payment card, a transport pass so you can travel, a loyalty card to go and start collecting rewards and points, a gift card or a photo as well. So you can go through there and add them as you need. And when you click on it, it'll guide you through how it can be done. They'll appear here. That's it. We can use it.